We are often thought of as a nuisance bird or a dirty bird. But what we're actually doing is cleaning up the environment both physically and energetically, serving a very important purpose. We are wise birds and complex beings. We see it as our job to clean up the shoreline and keep it orderly. We patrol the beaches. This is our environment and our home on Earth. If we steal food from you, we are giving you the message to be more present and hold your power. Ask yourself, do I need to set better boundaries for me in my life? We are highly adaptable, living on land, water, and in the sky. And we have a strong sense of community that keeps us safe and maintains order. We are confident in who we are, and if you watch us, you will feel our courage. We know how to receive what we need. Some call us freeloaders, but we show you how to be resourceful, to help you see how to usher in a new way of being and living with more freedom and ease. Opportunities are always available. At least that's how we see it. The next time you see us, watch us. You will learn so much.